believe you would do that. So anyways, that not scary thing. That's a bird dog. Ain't that a bird dog? Okay. Your dog's Jewish. I hate to break the news to you. I hate to break the rumor to you. I hate to break the news. The news. He's Jewish. And he could have said. You want to see the egg? It's an egg. Right, fantastic. It's a big one. Got it. Don't try to get away from me. Here's my dog's egg. It's a very talented egg pooper. There was a baby dog in it. Baby Jewish dog. I ate it. But Courtney ate it. So Courtney, I needed to brush my teeth this morning. It sounded like you said, I need to brush my teeth. I needed to brush my teeth this morning, and I forgot my toothbrush, so I went in the bathroom and found. This is my VeggieTales toothbrush. Me and Journey have the same one. Journey, I freaking love you. And we have the hottest toothbrushes anyone's ever seen, so I don't want to hear anyone talking about how dumb my toothbrush is, because it's hot. Hotter than you. Ha! Okay. That's all I gotta say. Anyways, I like yogurt. I like yogurt too. Especially when it's like peanut pie flavored. Flavored? Flavored. Oprah's my idol. We were on the Oprah show. We were on the Oprah show. Just kidding. We were on the Well, we should have been on the Oprah show. Yeah. We should tell people we're on the Oprah show because we deserve to be on the Oprah show. I mean, look at us. We're hot. We're something. Your fingers and your toes are both called phalanges. How messed up is that? Oh, you guys want to work? Okay, let's exercise. Ready? Put your hands like this, and put your feet out, like straight out, like you're pushing against something, and go. Okay, weirdo. I worked out my upper body today. Court, I worked out my upper body today. Can you tell? Yeah, I can. I worked out my lower body today. Ready? Man, let's sing. A fruit rap. A fruit rap. Let's do it. Let's do it. Ready? Ready? Grape. 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 Apple. Grape. Apple. Grape. I like apple. Strawberry. Strawberry. Grape. You're my mate. You're my grape. You're my mate. You're my grape. You're my grape. Apple. Yeah. Ooh, you wanna dance? Boogie, 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 boogie. She saw Ashton Kutcher. How awesome is that? You guys like that? I just died shooting. Ashton Kutcher. He's hottie. You're a hottie. Your mom's a hottie. Hey, Jennah. Yeah. I bought this pack of gum today for 99 cents, Courtney. Wow! That's a low price! That's what I said. That's what she said. That's what Mom said. Man! Funny! Funny. Funny. Alright, I think this video can be over now. Yeah. Bye! You gonna stop it? You gonna stop it? I think you should stop it. Bye!